AI is going to take over the world. AI will take over my job. Are you tired of hearing what AI will do? Welcome to my channel, AI Step by Step for Seniors 55 Plus. The playlist tutorial of 12 short videos are created in sequence. That means if you jump ahead, you might get confused when you view other videos. There are 2 videos with extensions, Video 1 and Video 5. The videos on this channel will demonstrate a general idea of how AI works. We will not go into complex details about the profound innovation of AI. In Video 1, we'll look at the basic functionality of what artificial intelligence means. As we stay tuned in, we will learn one of the ways human brain activity research is used in AI. Plus, we will unlock the #1 component that AI cannot exist without. Finally, after this video ends, look to the right of YouTube's video panel and click on Video 1, titled Introducing AI. What is it?